Okay, Luka, what are we seeing here?
The ants are making a city.
Oh, cool. I think I see your reflection of your toes. Huh. I hope Aunt Laura enjoys this video.
Yeah.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah, the ants are building.
Yeah.
They're also trying to find food.
Uh-huh. Well, it said not to overfeed them. We did give them a tiny piece of apple yesterday. So, it said like 2, is that the apple, I think? It said, what did it say? Start with a tiny slice of apple and then every day add like 2 bits of fruit the size of the head of a pin. They don't seem like they're starving. Okay. See you later.